Saturday, an annual event and a really generous event put on at Markham's Buttonville Airport. I know one of the pilots there, Jeff Wood, lovely guy. They donate their time, they donate their gas, they donate their airplanes, and they take kids up for free.
When do they do that with older kids?
Yeah, exactly, big kids. It was Junior Aviators Day, and Anne-Marie, they were put off Saturday because of the wet weather. Look at these Keeners.
Love it, but they got up on Sunday. Look at all systems are go, ready for takeoff.
It's quite a big event to put on something like this, but if you missed it, look out for it next year. Junior Aviators Day, an opportunity for kids aged 7 to 17, Anne-Marie, so we're just out of the range to go up for a fly. And,
maybe you could put in a good word for us.
Yeah, we'll see what we can. Oh, there's Jeff right there, having a good time.
Pilots from the Buttonville Flying Club donated their time and aircrafts to allow kids to take flight alongside them. And as you can see, the weather was all clear for flying. But the event originally had to be postponed on Saturday because of the wet weather.
The weather yesterday was just awful, and the problem with you know, not only did it rain, but the ceiling was extremely low, the visibility was down, and when we do events like this, the weather has to be perfect. It's got to be very good visibility. As you can see, a high ceiling, the winds are down, so it's not turbulent right now, not too much convective activity, so the rides are relatively smooth. Yeah, so I mean, we just couldn't have asked for a better day. I mean, I think we're blessed.